Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka number 22. Endowed with that faith, he engages in the worship of that Devata, and from it he obtains his desire fulfillments, all these being ordained by me alone.
Chapter 7, Shloka 22. Sataya Shraddhaya Yuktaha Tasyaradhanam Ihate Labade Chatatak Kaman Mahiva Vigitan Hitan.
Chapter 7, Shloka number 22. How the faith is converted to desire is explained. The conscious principle enlivens all the inert thoughts which experience the world. Charged with faith, we invoke the deity of our choice and gain fulfillment of the desires. Because of the Lord as the conscious principle enlivens the thoughts, he can say that these desires are being verily dispensed by him alone. Only faithful and sincere activity can give success. The existence of the field, the capacity to act, and the strength of faith which supply the consistency to all efforts are only possible in the presence of the changeless, the actionless, and the attributeless eternal self, and so he itself is the dispenser of the result of each action. When a well-tuned radio is plugged to the current, the electric current can say that it alone is the dispenser of the program at the station. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.